Hey sir, welcome back to my channel. It's me here Andy. Today we are going to be making some super yummy and easy nachos. This is something that you can make for a party or movie night or just enjoy on a Tuesday evening like you often do. Let's get into it. So first things first, grab a big bag of tortilla chips. Now I am actually going to be using half of this bag because I don't want to waste food and I also don't want this recipe to be too long. So I'm working with half of the bag of tortilla chips. You're gonna want to spread those out on your baking tray nice and evenly. Once you've done that, you're gonna want to sprinkle on some shredded cheese. I'm using cheddar, but you can use mozzarella if you want. The cheese is gonna melt and get all gooey and yummy and then the tortilla chips are gonna get all crispy and crunchy. On top of that, you can add your other favorite ingredients. I'm adding some cooked chicken and a little bit of beans. You can use black beans or kidney beans. Now we're gonna add another layer of tortilla chips on top of that and then some more cheese. You can also add things like onions, tomatoes, corn, anything that you really like. I'm just keeping it simple today. Once you've got everything on top of your baking tray, you're gonna want to put it in the oven. The oven is gonna get all the cheese melted and bubbly and it is gonna make everything taste so good. I am gonna pop it in the oven now and we'll see you when it is done. Okay, so our timer has just finished. This is what it looks like out of the oven. I think it looks amazing. All of that cheese is melted and bubbly and just wait until you taste it. It's gonna be so good. I am gonna take it out of the oven now and we're gonna add our final toppings. You're gonna want some fresh diced tomatoes. I've got some salsa, I've got some sour cream and I've got some chopped up cilantro. You can use fresh parsley or spring onions if you want. Okay. So I am just gonna dollop some sour cream on top and then I am gonna add some of that fresh tomato. I love the contrast between the cool sour cream and the hot nachos. It's so refreshing. And last but not least, I'm gonna add some of this fresh cilantro. If you're a fan of cilantro, you know that you love it. And if you're not a fan of cilantro, well then you can use some fresh parsley or spring onion. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. But honestly, this doesn't really need any seasoning because the chips are already seasoned and the cheese is already salty. But now it's time for the most important part, which is giving this a little taste test. Ooh, it's so cheesy and crunchy and gooey and perfect. I love these nachos. They're one of my favorite snacks ever. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye.